Welcome to the best picks. The best ice fishing table is probably one of the most important investments you can make for a comfortable and successful ice fishing trip, providing ample workspace for bait preparation, lure organization, and fish cleaning, ultimately enhancing your overall ice fishing experience and maximizing your catch. It's more than just a table, it's your mobile command center on the ice. Number 5. Folding Camp Table. It's compact at 23.6 by 15.8 inches when open, and easily adjusts to two different heights. When folded, it's only 15.8 by 11.8 by 2.8 inches, perfect for storage and transport. This table boasts a high-quality MDF top and a sturdy aluminum frame. Weighing only 5.5 pounds, it can support up to 70 pounds, and adjustable feet ensure stability on uneven surfaces. It's incredibly lightweight and folds up small, like a briefcase, with a handy carrying handle. This makes it ideal for camping trips and travel. This versatile table is perfect for various uses. Use it outdoors for picnics or indoors as a laptop stand. Its stability is impressive. It's incredibly easy to assemble and use, both indoors and outdoors. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or simply enjoying coffee at home, it's perfect for any occasion. What we like. It's incredibly lightweight and easy to transport, perfect for camping trips or picnics. The adjustable height makes it versatile for various uses, from outdoor dining to indoor crafting. If you're looking for a compact and adaptable table for diverse situations, this is the one for you. What people say. The design of the folding camp table small is both simple and functional. The table is made from lightweight yet durable materials, which makes it easy to carry without sacrificing sturdiness. The frame is constructed with strong metal legs, and the tabletop is a solid, water-resistant surface that can hold up to the elements. This model is made almost entirely of strong lightweight aluminum, with a smooth formica top. All of the hinges and locks are strong metal. The legs are substantial metal and they use a very strange, yet effective way of changing the height. You can use one set or both to change the height by slipping them into the four legs that are already built into the table. That make them remarkable strong, far more so than any other brand I saw. They even added leg extensions to make it taller if needed. Number 4. VINGLI 4-foot ice cooler table. It folds up easily for compact storage, saving you valuable space. Just fold the legs and it's ready to be put away. With its spacious ice bin, it keeps your food and drinks refreshingly cold for hours. Enjoy perfectly chilled refreshments at any event. It's ideal for weddings, picnics, or any outdoor gathering. The included skirt adds a touch of elegance. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its tapered bottom and convenient drain hole. Simply drain the water and wipe it clean. It's built to last with durable materials and stable legs. Protective foot pads prevent scratches on your floors. Use it for camping, fishing, tailgating, or any outdoor activity. It's perfect for keeping your food and drinks cold wherever you go. What we like. This table has a built-in ice cooler, keeping your food and drinks refreshingly cold at parties or fishing trips. The foldable design and easy clean surface make it perfect for outdoor events. If you need a convenient and practical table for entertaining or outdoor activities, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Holds the cold on top, drains easy to put together. Durable and beautiful white with a skirt to hide the drain bucket underneath. Ice retention is great and I love the drain and hose. I have used it as a stand-alone beverage table and tabletop salad bar by folding the legs in and placing 2 hotel pans under the table. Easy to store. Used to hold drinks for over 100 guests and drinks stayed cold. Skirt velcros in and can be removed to wash. Number 3. CLAM 9180 Quick Pack Table. This is the CLAM 9180 Quick Pack Table, perfect for any outdoor adventure. It's lightweight and easy to set up, so you can enjoy it anywhere. It folds up quickly and easily for convenient portability. You'll appreciate its lightweight design, making it a breeze to transport. It features 2 deep cup holders, designed to securely hold your drinks, even tall ones, preventing spills. No more wobbly cups. This table boasts super strong powder-coated steel legs and a durable frame. It's built to last through countless adventures. The waterproof and mildew-resistant tabletop ensures it can withstand various weather conditions. Enjoy it rain or shine. It includes a handy under-table mesh storage basket for keeping your essentials organized. No more searching for your belongings. A convenient carry bag is included, making transportation and storage a snap. It's ready to go whenever you are. What we like. It boasts convenient cup holders and comes with a handy carry case for easy portability. The durable construction ensures it can withstand various outdoor adventures. If you prioritize convenience and durability in a portable table, this is a great option. Number 2. Eskimo 34840 Plaid XL Tripod Stool. Get ready for ultimate comfort and convenience on the ice. This stool is built to last, providing a stable and supportive seat for hours of fishing. It features a classic Eskimo plaid design that's both stylish and functional. You'll be the envy of all your fishing buddies. Never worry about spilling your drink again. It has convenient built-in cup holders, keeping your beverage close at hand. Made with 19mm steel and tough 600 denier fabric, it's built to withstand the harshest winter conditions. You can trust it to support you through long days on the ice. It also includes 2 mesh side pockets for storing your essentials and a handy carry bag for easy transport. Everything you need is right where you need it. Experience the difference of superior comfort and durability with this ice fishing stool. Make your next fishing trip the best one yet. What we like. This ice fishing stool features built-in cup holders for your convenience and is made from durable materials to withstand harsh conditions. The included carry bag makes transport a breeze. If you need a sturdy and convenient seat for ice fishing, this is perfect for you. What people say. Side pockets, cup holders, comfortable to sit on and stable to set things on, great product. Nice little seat table. Sturdy and light. Appears well made. Number 1. CLAM Quick Pack Table. This is the CLAM Quick Pack Table, perfect for any outdoor adventure. It's lightweight and easy to set up, so you can enjoy your time outdoors without hassle. It folds up easily and comes with a convenient carry bag for storage and transport. You'll appreciate its portability and ease of use. It features 4 deep cup holders, large enough for bottles or tall coffee cups. No more spills or wobbly drinks. It's built with super strong powder-coated steel legs and a waterproof, mildew-resistant tabletop. It can withstand various weather conditions. With its sturdy construction and convenient features, it's ready to go wherever your adventures take you. Enjoy worry-free outdoor fun. Setup is a breeze, and when you're finished, it folds flat for easy storage in its included carry bag. It's the ultimate in convenience. What we like. With multiple cup holders and a durable design, it's perfect for various outdoor settings. The included carry bag makes storage and transport effortless. If you value convenience and durability in a portable table, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The built-in can holders are a nice feature to hold your drink of choice and prevent the normal tipping spilling that normally takes place in the ice shelter. It is a good little table and fulfills its purpose nicely. Nice and compact for his 8-person CLAM portable fish house. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.